Another way to arrange headings and subheadings in an outline is the decimal system. It uses Arabic numerals and levels distinguished by decimal points and other numbers. Scientific, technical, and legal audiences often prefer this system because single items are easily found. You can choose to indent the numbering or keep them all flush left. This decision usually depends on your company's branding, templates, and preference. The decimal system can make the horizontal and vertical relationships between groupings difficult to see. So, how can you overcome this issue? You could use a combined approach of the general and decimal approaches like I did in this example.